Brian Whiting. I am looking to give a couple of different classes on different complexities of Steve, starting with a bare bones, no other reference point required, learning how to do the Steve. That trick being rolling down, around, back up, and continuing for as long as you see fit. But for the moment, we're going to continue forward with what else we can learn while we're with this. So we'll start adding beats to the process with keeping closed hands. Once you're comfortable there, we can open our hands and you can still add a beat. You can skip a whole bunch of beats if you want to. Or you can obviously do the same process with the other hand, whether you're going slow or kind of whip it into gear. And of course, that's how we get to that full Steve just shown. But the basics of this is going to be grab your staff, thumb towards the middle, and we're going to start with our staff in the middle and our trick in the middle, meaning we're going to wrap that around our neck. It's going to wrap around. Once it's wrapped around and you're comfortable, you'll wrap around and bring it to your hand. Try to keep it horizontal to avoid what I just did and get that vertical movement. And then, once you know how to do the second half of the trick, you can go and do the first half, which is pinky towards the middle, pinky away, twist, let go, roll it around, bring it back up, and just kind of continue on until you decide, hey, I want to add a beat. I want to go ahead and keep my hands open. Now, the controls of all of this type of stuff is really only broken down into two pieces that you can definitely subdivide. That's going to be rolling of the staff up and down my body, and then it's going to be control of the rotation of the staff around itself. Now, that rotation you can match and gives you a different type of control. Or you can bring your arms up and down to control how it's rolling instead. Give it new places to get contact so it doesn't ever run out of road, so to speak. And then I'll just kind of show you what it can look like when you play with that in whatever format ends up suiting your immediate concerns. It's just about finding its pace with you. Sometimes it wants to go quick. Sometimes it'll want to slow down. Sometimes you'll want to slow it down, in which case you do.